Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is two little words. KG2 class, today we are going to learn about two little words. Two little words have only two alphabet or two letters. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. KG2 class. First of all, read with me and then write A N N A N N A T at A T at I S is I S is I N in I N in U P up U P up. Now students, again read with me. A N N A T at I S is I N in U P up. Okay KG2 class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye.